Welcome to our deep dive into Ramp, Brex, and QuickBooks, three leading financial platforms. Today, we're exploring which is the best fit for your business in 2025. First, let's dive into the core functionalities. Ramp focuses on expense management, Brex offers corporate cards and cash management, while QuickBooks provides comprehensive accounting solutions. Next up, let's discuss who these platforms are aimed at. Ramp is tailored for startups. Brex appeals to larger companies looking for corporate expense solutions, and QuickBooks serves small to medium-sized businesses. Now, let's break down their pricing structures. Ramp has a unique no-fee model. Brex offers tiered pricing based on spending, while QuickBooks varies by feature sets. Each has its own value proposition that can impact your decision. Integration is key for seamless operations. Ramp integrates with tools like Slack and Gusto. Brex connects well with accounting software, and QuickBooks boasts a wide range of integrations, making it very versatile. User experience can make or break the adoption of these tools. Ramp features a clean, intuitive interface. Brex has a modern feel, and QuickBooks is known for its robustness, although it can be a bit overwhelming for new users. When it comes to customer support, Ramp offers chat support. Brex provides dedicated account managers, and QuickBooks has an extensive help center and community forums. Think about which level of support your business needs. Security is paramount in financial software. Ramp utilizes bank-level security. Brex is PCI compliant, and QuickBooks offers encryption and authentication measures to ensure your data remains safe. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Ramp is great for no-fee expense management, but lacks depth in accounting. Brex has a strong feature set for bigger businesses, but its pricing can be high for startups. QuickBooks is a powerhouse in accounting, but can be complex for some users. In conclusion, the best choice depends on your business's specific needs. If you're a startup focusing on expenses, go with Ramp. For rapidly growing firms, consider Brex. And if you need powerful accounting, QuickBooks is your best bet for 2025.